Uh, Please let me confirm. Can you guys able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So before start introducing myself, so do you guys know the Trailhead platform? Did you heard about the Trailhead? Yeah. So Trailhead is the official learning platform for Salesforce guys, which is provided by Salesforce.com directly. So here you can learn individually without depending on any others. Let me log in my account. And for future references, like if you are going to join any MNC company, so the Trailhead account is mandatory. And whatever the certification, uh, are you going to write and do you have any other certifications? So all the certifications are tracking through this Trailhead platform only. So which is learning platform at the same time. So the certification maintenance also tracking with this Trailhead only. She is already logged in some other one. Yeah, if you don't know about this Trailhead platform, no worry guys. I'll let you know from beginning onwards, like how do we create a Trailhead account, what is the purpose of this Trailhead, and in future, like how you can practice on this Trailhead platform, how the recruiters will see this Trailhead platform, each and everything. I will let you know. As of now, just observe the things. Like now I'm going to log in my existed account. So for that, I need to provide my Gmail account. There are different features to log in this Trailhead platform. You can log in through your Gmail account, or you can log in through your Salesforce account, or you can log in through Facebook or LinkedIn, whatever it is. Yeah, so this is my profile on Trailhead platform, guys. So I have been working in the Salesforce platform since 7+ years, 7.5 years. And now I'm working for the Accenture as an application development senior analyst. And I have these 3 certifications, and in pipeline, there are architect certification as well. And coming to my qualification, like so, so far, I have been started this teaching since 2018 onwards, and still I provided so many live sessions with so many companies as well, and also institutions as well. And here in MLR Multisoft Solutions, we are going to see the live environment, which is provided by the live companies. Like it's not like institution type training, guys. So please utilize this training platform. And here from day one, you're going to see the entire functionality is on live account only. Like if you don't know about the live accounts and live editions, yeah, just after the session, you can do some research on Salesforce editions. So just remember this thing, Salesforce editions. So you can go through the Salesforce editions and pricing from Google itself. You'll get to know like what are the real-time editions, like what is the free edition. If you joined any other institutions, you'll be logging through your free account only, and there is no chance to see the real-time requirement, and there is no chance to participate real-time requirements. But here through MLR Multisoft Solutions, you are able to get the most popular edition, Enterprise. So these edition credentials and whatever the sessions going on teaching model. Like each and every session will be depending on the live requirement only. From day one onwards, I would like to teach as a uh, real-time requirement. I'm not going to teach any navigation parts or any theoretical part. So for theoretical part, whatever I am logged in here, see trailhead. So I'd like to assign these trailhead accounts and I would like to provide some inputs like how do we log in, how do you work on this trailhead, how do you practice on this trailhead. Each and everything I would like to set up before starting our regular sessions. So after that, you are able to do in your own way. So you will get two times experience. One time in my sessions, and after that, I would like to assign some trailhead task. Like here if you observe, I'm having 281 badges and some points as well. So if you do practice on this trailhead platform, like as me, you are also getting the badges and points. So these badges and points will be counted for your profile. So if you're working on any MNC company, so the trailhead is mandatory platform because of without certification, no MNC will consider your profile. So nowadays, but don't worry, for getting jobs, trial, I mean, certification is not a mandatory if you are if your profile is a experienced profile. Like if you are trying to get a job as new to Salesforce or without experience, so those people should have the certification and these trailhead badges. But experienced people, no need to worry. But anyway, after getting your job, your entire certification related trackings will be taken care by this trailhead platform only. Just like my page. See, if you observe here, I had 3 certifications and these 3 are in active mode. For maintenance and renewals, everything will be depending on this trailhead badges only. Yeah, in moving forward, I'd like to let you know like how the renewal things are coming and how you have to complete the renewal badges, all those things. Yeah. Coming to sessions. Yeah, so in our sessions, we will cover from admin to Lightning Web Component, guys. So each and every concept will be covered within this 3 months duration. Yeah, I hope there are some different things as like admin development and integration and Lightning Web Components. So from my end, I would like to provide each and every functionality with the live examples only. And the same, whatever we are discussing about the edition. So I'm going to log in this enterprise edition and at the parallel, you are also getting this enterprise edition credentials. And you can check later on, like you can compare with other institutions or other trainers. So so the entire duration period, so entire the 3 months duration period, we are going to utilize a real-time application and real-time requirements only. Parallelly, I would like to assign some trailhead badges because of it's in nowadays it's a mandatory things for few months is like Accenture also checking the trialite profile. Infosys also checking the trialite profile. So nowadays it's a mandatory because of it's a hands-on experience skill. So you cannot cheat the recruiters because of your if you are having a few badges, it is a live hands-on experience skill. So that is the confirmation on your skill set for the recruiters. At the same time, certifications also they can track through this Trailhead platform account. So that is the reason Trailhead is mandatory thing for companies. Yeah, coming to the job market. So why you want to learn Salesforce? So if you learn Salesforce, if you completed your training, so after that, what is your main goal? So you need to get a job. So nowadays Salesforce is have boom. Like so there is no. I don't want to say there is no technology, but for Salesforce, definitely this is the market. This is the right way to learn. This is the right time to learn as well. Like so every day. So at least if your profile is a developer profile, if your profile is having some hands-on experience related to bullet points, at least you will get 20 to 30 calls per a day. So that is the job market. So for every company, for every MNC, they would like to increase at least 25 to 30% of people in Salesforce platform. with a huge amount of hikes as well. Yeah, I think someone is trying to join. Let me in. Yeah, me show you the. That. Yeah, 1 minute, guys. I think there is a link to show. Yeah, I'd like to showcase from here. Community. Career paths. Yeah, so it's official information, guys. See, 4.2 million jobs will be created on this Salesforce ecosystem by 2024 itself. Yeah, guys, please admit like who are joining now. Yeah, so this is the official page. This is the official web page, guys, like you can see here. So in coming days, in 2020-24, there is a chance to create 4.2 million jobs entire in world. Like I have the link. I think I forgot that particular link. So over there you can see the Indian job market as well. For country-wise job market, not only India. You can see like by 2024 how many jobs will be created by India, USA, Australia, Canada, Dubai, whatever your country. So you can officially check the job market with the help of this Trailhead platform. So later on, I will forward the link, the exact link with you. So over there, you can go through that link and you can check. Yeah, it's all about the official information, guys. And coming to the uh, salary ranges, like see, see, if you observe here, this is the real time figures. Like there is no cheating. So if you recruit, if you placed as a Salesforce developer, so this is your market range. If you place as a Salesforce administrator, this is your market range. As a business analyst, marketing careers, whatever it is, there are so many roles available in the Salesforce platform. So it depends on your skill set. Uh, Mostly you are suitable for this developer or administrator or a Salesforce consultant or a Salesforce business analyst. See, these are the different roles, Salesforce architect and Salesforce designer. And sales, service, and marketing are the different, these three are the different roles. But now we are going to cover all these modules. Like it depends on your experience and your skill set. So basically we are starting from Salesforce administrator. After that, we are covering the Salesforce developer. After that, we are moving into the analysis part. And after that, we are moving into the consultant part. So the architect is the depending on the experience level. Designer and architect is depending on experience level. So during this 3 months duration, so you can see all these four modules: Salesforce administrator, analyst, and developer, and consultant. So we'll cover all these four roles job duties as well. Like as an analyst, how you are going to work; as an administrator, how you are going to work; as a developer, how you are going to work; as a consultant, what's your job role; how you can manage your consultant role. So these things we are going to cover within this 3 months duration, and each and everything will be covered within this real-time edition, enterprise edition. So we are not going to showcase any PPTs or any other things, guys, because of here we are not like institution types. So directly we are going to provide project access. So whatever you have spent your 3 months for with us, these 3 months will be count as a real-time experience. Yeah, that's all from my end, guys. Do you have any other questions? Hello?
Yeah, hi. So, so are we going
Yeah,
to the Salesforce designer and the Salesforce architect? What is the difference between them?
yeah. Architect in the sense like you are able to handle all these roles. Like whenever the requirement comes from the client's end, you can analyze. You are going to set up administration configuration. You are going to develop some code related functionality, and you are dealing as a consultant or like in between client side and development side, company side. So finally, you are able to design the architect. So the designer in the sense like the designer is not able to uh, provide exact functionality within the Salesforce platform. Okay, the design is
Basically,
help.
the HLD or the LLD will be given by the Salesforce designer. That's what you're saying?
Yeah, it's some level of access. Like within this architect role, there is some designer role. It's in the architect role only. It includes architect role. So the designer in the sense he is not able to provide entire architect related functionality. He is going to design something. It depends on client requirements. Just like when the client provide any requirement, first of all, basically, the business analyst and the Salesforce designer and the Salesforce architect will be the point of contact in between client and development companies. So the analyst can analyze the requirement, the designer can do the documentation, and the finally Salesforce architect will help to the analyst and designer, and finally the architect can do some major changes within the document. So coming to the consultant role. So after implementation of the product, so the consultant will lead the team, like for future releases and release management and new customizations. All the things will hand taken care by consultant and business analyst. Yeah, is it clear?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions? So these are the just average amounts, guys, and depends on a skill set. There might be a chance to increase or decrease, and it depends on your experience as well. So these are the averages, like who are having 2 years, 3 years experience. It's not for the, I mean, it's not for the seniors. Yeah, you can ask questions, guys. Hello.
I'm just trying to log into the Trailhead,
Mhm.
just trying to set up the profile just to see how it goes. So bear with me.
Yeah, for login, all those things we'll cover in our next sessions, guys. This is just like a demo session, right? But don't worry. So I'll provide the each and every navigation step. So I will treat you as the student. Okay. From beginning on, from scratch onwards, I'm going to teach like how do you sign up the Salesforce account and how do you sign up this Trailhead account and how do you perform as a live, I mean, administrator or a developer or a analyst roles. Okay, no, don't worry. I'll treat you as a student level.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and coming to the syllabus part, we'll cover each and every functionality with a live example. And during the sessions also, I would like to develop one application, Salesforce application. Within that application, we'll cover entire functionality. So whatever the admin can do, whatever the developer can do, integration specialist what he can do. So each and every module will cover within the same application. So the end of the program, the end of the course, you are able to answer each and every question. Like if you are attempting any interviews without any dependency. So I'll give the assurance because of here from day one, you are going to log in this enterprise edition. So if you are working in any real-time works, so this is the org only. 99% you will get this enterprise edition only. So very rare cases you will get unlimited edition. It depends on your client. But only the difference between enterprise and unlimited is the support from the direct salesforce.com. See, if you observe here, here you'll get some features like the difference between each and every edition. The difference between unlimited and enterprise is 24/7 support from the salesforce.com, direct salesforce.com. Rest all each and every feature will be the same for developer perspective and administrator perspective. So everything is same. Only the thing here, the support from direct salesforce.com.
How big of a project generally is with Salesforce? Like, are they small projects or like long running projects?
So it is suitable for each and every type of business. Like if you observe, so, when you're going to KFC, I hope you know very well about KFC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in KFC, when you order something, they would like to enter in some tab or any system, right? Do you know the application is Salesforce platform?
Okay.
Yeah, so the customer is whatever the customer needs, each and every sales order will be stored within the Salesforce application. At the same time, do you know about the Google? Yeah, whatever the functionality we are going to search. Like let's say for example, I'm going to search Mahesh Babu. So where it will be stored after clicking on enter button. So it will store somewhere, right? What are the data, whatever we are going to search, it stores somewhere, right? Inside the Google itself. The Google is migrated with the Salesforce platform for database. What are the typos we are going to type, search, and navigating? Each and everything will be stored inside the Salesforce applications in backend. So there is no limitation, guys. Salesforce is suitable for a small coffee shops to big organizations. Any questions, guys?
Um. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. So here we are going to provide uh, each and everything will be on live mode only. So it's not like institution mode. So after this session, you can research about the Salesforce platform on Salesforce job market and the real-time editions, and you can compare with other institutions as well. So nobody will provide this enterprise edition because of it's very expensive. Per month, they should pay $150 per user login. If you want to log in enterprise edition for 1 month, so we should pay $150. But here, from our end, it is possible because of we are not only institution, we are implementing few projects as well. We have the live licenses. The same licenses will be provided to you during this 3 months program. So
What is
you're
the difference between the enterprise edition and the stand? Like, what do we get when we go for this?
you will get the same additions. Basically, for practicing purpose and for other institutions, they would like to use developer edition.
No, like my question was like, what is the difference? What is the key benefits in the enterprise edition as compared to the developer edition? Because enterprise, when we understand, is an end-to-end implementation, but we will only be talking about Salesforce, right? Or are we going to have some enterprise level projects as well?
Yeah, so now we are talking about only Salesforce related enterprise. Okay.
O-
So
Okay.
These are the different type of editions available within the Salesforce platform. So, different types
No,
of
that's yeah.
licenses.
I understand. I understand. This one is better than the other one. But my question is like, how is it better than the developer edition? Like when we pay
If
75.
with developer edition, like if you go with the developer edition, like in real time, let's take a real time scenario. So
Mm.
in real time, how many users will be logging and how many members will be using the application? So there is no limit. It depends on the business and depends on the license purchase. As I said, it's a paid and it count only on user basis. Like in my company, I want to provide 100 licenses for 100 users, 100 employees. I need to purchase 100 licenses, right? Within these 100 licenses, there is a chance to have different roles. Like account people are there, HR people are there, sales people are there, marketing people are there, different people are there. So within the Salesforce platform, which type of data we are going to store? The Salesforce is CRM related functionality, right? So what are the customer information and company information we are going to store inside the Salesforce applications? So we have to provide the data access with the relevant persons. So if I go with the enterprise edition, the difference is like the roles, whatever it is in real-time scenarios, each and every functionality, I have a chance to showcase in real-time scenarios. But if I go with the developer edition, so if you have the trainer is having knowledge, but there is no chance to showcase that functionality because of within the developer edition, only one member can log in. It is not possible to log in. It is not possible to assign roles inside the Salesforce application. At the same time, you cannot test your functionality. Whatever we are going to create inside the, inside the applications, there is no chance to test you if the created functionality is working properly or not. But here, that is possible. In real time, also we are doing the same. If you use the enterprise edition from day one onwards, it count as a real time experience. That is the main benefit for you. And after getting the job, if you don't have any idea about the editions and sandboxes, there is a other concept called sandbox. In tomorrow's session, I will let you know what is sandbox, so how different between each and every sandbox. And if you go with the developer edition, there is no chance to see the sandbox related information. But in real time, as a developer, you must log in sandboxes only. So without sandbox, you are not going to work anywhere. But that is the key point, the key factor. The sandbox is also not available within the developer edition. Yeah, so
Okay. Thank you.
so many points are there. It's not possible to clear, discuss within single session. The entire program will be on our sandbox accounts and this enterprise edition only. Day by day, you will get to know like what are the differences between developer and this real time.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, say simple thing, guys. You can do some research based on my session, my demo, and after that you will get to know the things. Okay, don't worry. But from my end, I would like to provide as I'll treat as a student level, and I'd like to provide each and every theoretical and practical part inside the sessions. At the same time, the trial head platform. So I'll spend, we'll spend quality time on this trial head platform, and day to day you will get this trial tasks as well. So end of the program, you will have some quality badges inside your profile that you can showcase inside in your resume and while running the interviews also.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Just a query. Apart
yeah.
from SFDC, like, do you take any class for CPQ as well, or no?
No, there is no chance to take CPQ because of what we are teaching, what we have the live. Only that
Okay.
thing we can deal. We don't
Okay.
have CPQ mod platform. That's what I don't want to deal.
Okay. 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 But
Yeah,
okay, and we can discuss it later. Thank you.
yeah. So simple thing, guys. We are not from institution type, right? So we have some commitments and we have to maintain some standards. So that's the reason we don't want to involve without having any live application. So if we have the live application, then definitely we'll start the CPQ as well. But first we need to purchase the CPQ.
Yes, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I lost you for some time. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, simple thing, guys. Like we don't have any CPQ license as of now. That's the reason we don't want to deal with any CPQ. So as of now, we are dealing with Salesforce projects only. So that's the reason we are going to provide some live training on the Salesforce platform, and you are able to involve the project as project implementation as well. Yeah. Anything else, guys?
And thank you. That's it from my end.
Okay. Yeah. Who joined later? So feel free to ask me, guys. Don't get tested. Yeah, it's related to Salesforce or any other, I mean, whatever it is. So feel free to ask me, I'll guide you. And is there any person already done the training?
Hi Mahesh,
Yeah.
Suma here.
Yeah. Hi, Suma.
Yeah, hi. So I've been working as a trainer with Cognizant,
Okay.
and last year I also learned a coaching regarding the like one of the institutes in Hyderabad.
Mm-hmm.
As you said, they have trained me in the developer edition.
Yeah.
But I'm okay with the concepts of admin and all. But coming to the development, I have little issues here and there, whereas I'm unable to write my own program using triggers and all.
Mm-hmm.
So, just wanted to check because I just want to move furtherly with Cognizant only. So, because if you have internal job posting, I just want to move from non-IT to IT sector,
Yes,
whereas I
yes.
can.
Now there is a chance to move from non-IT to IT. Not only Cognizant. So
Ah,
many
okay.
companies will move from non-IT to IT if you have the skill set.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what.
it is easy
But
process.
my question here is,
Yeah.
yeah. For example, I just don't want to put any fake experience and all.
Mm-hmm.
And so I just want to move further, maybe not into Cognizant, but the other but the other organization. Just wanted
Yeah.
to check because my role will be a trainer. Because as I
Okay.
told you, I'm working as a trainer here.
Mm-hmm.
Can I move having the designation as trainer into the
Yes, why not? Why not? So, the trainer designation is the best fit for the Salesforce developer nowadays.
okay, okay.
Yeah, I've seen so
Which
many,
is
so many people.
okay.
Yeah. So
I'm
it's
not sure like how would it help me because
yeah,
I'm
no,
working
don't
since
don't
3 years.
worry. Yeah. Recently, one of my student from TCS. So she's also
Okay,
trainer. The designation is trainer. She's into non-IT as well,
okay,
and now she's officially migrated to
okay,
Salesforce platform.
okay. I'm not sure like how would the like verification be done? So basis upon the trainer alone,
Everything,
or else,
everything will be official model. Just they would like to conduct one interview session. That's it. They would like to test your
oh,
skill set.
okay. Even when the interview is going on, I can say that my designation is trainer,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. Internally, they can schedule. They know
Okay, okay. No,
official.
no. If it's not internal, so let's say, for example, if I just want to move to some other organization apart from Cognizant, because
Yeah.
Cognizant, me, I think it would be fine because they know they have my all my details and they would move me further if I get shortlisted.
Mm.
But for example, if I just want to apply for other organizations,
Yeah.
can I do that having a designation as trainer?
Yes, you can do without fake. You can go with the trainer as well. Did you
Yeah,
heard about
because
the Journey to Salesforce program?
sorry.
Did you heard about the Journey to Salesforce program? Journey to Salesforce.
No,
It's
no,
officially
no, no.
conducting by the Salesforce.com itself. And here
Okay.
everyone can get a chance to move from non-IT to IT background officially. No need to put any fake experience as well.
Yeah, because I don't want to put something fake and join the
Yeah, yeah,
organization. So I'm little worried about it because nowadays when I'm looking into the Naukri and all, they're just asking only for the experienced candidates. I'm
yeah,
not sure because how many people are genuine and how many people are fake. We don't know. Maybe the depending
yeah,
upon the skill set, yeah. Even though they fake, they would manage. But what I feel is I just have the fear of having this fake and all, and I don't want to move something putting fake. Yeah, I just wanted to clear this out before getting into the training.
yeah.
Yeah, because once after the training started, if uh,
Yeah.
yeah,
As I said,
if
try
the
to be.
organization is asking me to put fake, I'm not interested. Yeah, how far it is benefited, and if you could just let me know in a quick while that how to proceed and all, I would be very glad enough to know that.
Yeah, simple things, Uma. So don't trust my
Yeah.
words as well. You can go through Trailhead
Yeah.
and search about the Journey to Salesforce platform who are having non background as experienced candidate. They would like to migrate officially. So Salesforce.com will provide every month recruiting process. So there are some badges like
Okay.
I'm having 8281 badges, right? The same way you have to complete some badges as per the requirement. And also one more, when
Okay.
you will get certification voucher as well. And
Okay. Okay.
finally, you are into official. They would like to treat as a fresher to Salesforce from non-IT background, whatever your designation. They don't want to
Okay.
consider your previous designation, but you're directly moving to the developer role.
So for that, I need to have the trial head role.
Yeah,
I need to have
you
it, right?
must complete the direct badges.
Okay. Okay. I have to complete the trial head back.
Yes, yes. In our sessions also, I would like to assign the same badges.
Mhm. Okay. As I told you, I learned Salesforce earlier. Like I was
It's
puzzled
it's
and
entirely different. It's entirely different. I hope you don't
yeah.
know you learned about the Salesforce. You don't know about these editions as well. They don't want to.
Yeah, I know the editions. Like we have four editions: Enterprise, Unlimited, and so the other editions. I know the editions that which the
I mean,
Salesforce
say in real
provided.
time, if you log in as the enterprise edition,
No,
how it will be
no,
reflecting.
that we completed like all the programming and all the classes and all. Like we have written in the developer edition, which is a free
Yes,
edition for
it's free.
every
Yes, yes, it's
uh,
free.
yeah, for every student, right? Like a normal person also can have the Salesforce account.
Yes, yes.
Like it's just a Gmail, what I felt.
Yeah, it's true.
Not exactly like a Gmail, but yeah, it's just an account that which you can open, like the authenticating, like the way that which you proceed for Gmail.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah, I just got puzzled like where I have to start it from the scratch because I know everything from the scratch.
Hmm.
Yeah, I was like worried about it. Okay, thank you, Mahesh. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so welcome and please refer this thing. If you joined with us or not, don't worry. That's secondary thing. But if you have a passion to move to Salesforce, you must complete this thing. Officially, you are into the Salesforce platform. So no
Sure,
need to
sure.
depend
Okay.
on no need to depend on anybody.
Okay. Hello. This is
Yeah, hi.
the start of the session. Yeah. I'm sorry. Hello. I'm very sorry.
Yes, yes. Who is that? Pranita, yeah.
Good evening, sir. Pranita. Pranita here. Sir, I have one question that do you also help in preparing a project
Yeah.
for using in the resume?
I didn't get you. Can you please come again? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Pranita, please tell me now.
Sir, do you also help in preparing the project so that we can use it in the resume?
Yes, yeah, the same project you can put officially. Yeah, in your
Same means which project
whatever,
which will be conducted during the training session?
yes, whatever the project I'm going to teach within this 3 months duration, you can put the same project information in our resume and you can explain the same way. So 100% you are able to explain your project experience because of the 3 months you are going to journey with the same project. So you are able to explain each and every step, like the configuration part, the customization part, the development part, whatever it is, everything you are able to explain.
Okay, okay. So, but whatever projects you will give is from the trial head only, no?
No,
Or
no, no.
real time
It's not a trial head
projects?
project. It's not trial head project. It's one of our clients' project. So we are dealing
Okay,
officially
because
non-profit NGOs, guys. Okay.
Mhm.
Now we are going to implement
Okay,
non-profit NGOs, and you are officially can put the volunteering experience in your resumes as well. Yeah, Suma, it is also helps you. So you can put officially. If you would like to assign anyone a NGO after this program as well. If you have any passion to work with NGOs, you can directly associate with the NGOs, and we will be coordinating with the NGOs as well.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I just wanted confirmation because as I told you, I learned the coaching and all.
Mhm.
But we're coming to the 1 minute.
Yeah.
so means on the basis of these projects, we can also apply for the experienced post for experienced jobs.
Yes, yes. You can apply for experienced jobs as well. So here
Okay,
I'm going
okay.
to cover advanced level, guys. So if you practice well, definitely you're able to apply at least to 3 years of experience.
Okay. So, do you also help in applying it to jobs in MNCs?
Yeah,
Or
we'll
we
definitely.
have to apply?
Yes, we will provide resumes, and we are going to help you to the official job portals. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. And is there an do you conduct mock interviews of the candidates?
Yeah. So every session will be like mock interview. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Highlight the. I would like to highlight the session related questions, and I'll let you know the answers as well. And uh, at least 3 weeks once, I'm going to conduct mock interview type.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Tomorrow also we can log in with the same link, and so our regular classes will be start from next Monday onwards. And before this Monday, I would like to cover the creation of accounts and the Salesforce platform basics, and what is Salesforce, why Salesforce, and the basic functionality. So, but our regular sessions will be starts from coming Monday.
Yeah, one last question. Like, is the
Yeah.
access to the company account will be available only for the 3 months or after that
Yeah,
as
it's
well?
only for 3 months. It's only for 3 months. It's too expensive. We have to
I
pay
know.
over $50 for these 3 months.
Okay. Fine, fine. Okay. And so propose that we'll be moving to like it gets downgraded to developer. How do it happens?
It's a developer.
So
And
automatically it
parallelly,
will get
yeah, so
yeah.
guys, parallelly, uh, I will assign the task. The task should be done within your developer edition only. Because of, after 3 months, you are not going to access the project, right? So again, if you want to recheck your project information and functionality wise testing, so you need to have one copy. So for that copy, you are going to implement it within your own developer editions. For live testing functionality, we'll utilize the live accounts. Okay.
Hello, I have one question, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in the development part, for which parts you will teach? Means, for example, Lightning, Visual Force, Aura, LWC, Trigger, Apex. So, will you
From
cover
our,
all these points?
yeah, from our end, we'll cover Apex triggers integration and batch. So I mean synchronous and asynchronous Apexes and Visual Force pages and Lightning web components, not our components, because of Aura is outdated, but as per our current project, we need to implement some VF pages. So for that reason, we'll cover Visual Force pages as well. And finally, we will cover Lightning web components. It's a new release in market.
Yes, sir, and LWC is also it's in demand. So, do you also cover that part,
Yes,
LWC?
LWC also will cover.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. If there is nothing, I'll drop off then.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
thanks. Thanks for joining.